Hello guys, good morning and welcome back to another index trading live trading video. Here we have made a couple of mistakes today, but I opened a bit late today, so I'm logging like I traded using mobile, so I was not able to manage position and even my network got stuck. Okay, nothing to worry about that. We are in a position. If you see over here, R1 like resistance, and if you see resistance zones over here, just look at this. Was like support, so it turned into resistance. So we'll try to book profit at this level, right? So like this was our plan, right? If you see over here, just look at it smoothly falling. So we don't want to lose that much profit, right? Over here. If you see currently, like we are in a profit of around like 138. We entered at this level, so we are in a profit of around 17-20 rupees. Like okay, nothing to worry about that, right? Okay, so currently trading in fear and we have to book profit at this level itself, right? Because if you see like this is a resist like support zone, this may act as a support here, right? And my target is almost like 164, I guess around 163, 64, and now it's like hitting like hitted over here, right? So if like I will wait here for a confirmation, like you are seeing over here, like it is taking rejection from bottom side. I will see bank nifty also. So bank nifty has like a better down support over here, right? If you see so like it has a support at this zone, right? If I draw this is this zone, right? Okay, let's move towards the nifty, like how nifty performing. Okay, again if you see the candle close red, so like there is a okay, so it is open a gap up, right? So I will close this. Just look at this. So we must around like 4-5 rupees profit over here. Like we will wait for our trade because trade is in our favor. We will wait for this. Okay, this has tested this level, but like there is a fall, so there will be like retracement, so we will wait here again. Okay, so took rejection like this week, and bank nifty is not at support, so we might okay we will I will open this also because like I have opened a late, so my chart terminal not open today. Let's see index how it is going, index how it is performing. Okay, bank nifty, like if bank nifty comes at support, I will try to book profit, right? If you see over here it is like 150 and I will try to book at market price itself, right? Okay, let's see. We have around 10-15 points more profit limit, not a limit, but here it can go 10-15 points down also, right? And here it can go up to like 166, right? So better I will place order at 166. So like if it is hit, probably fine, nothing to worry about that, right? Okay, currently the high made is like 162. Price is going down, but option prices are not moving so fast, like as this nifty going down, but this option prices, if you see, just small movement, right? So here if nifty says nifty moved 3-4 points, here there is no movement, right? Just look at this. Nifty is down, but this option is like still consolidating at the same level. Okay, I'll wait for candle to close, and if you see like bank nifty is almost coming at okay, it is coming at our level, so we'll try to place my order at 166, and like if it is hit, if it hits, we'll try to book profit. We will not go for selling like more than a day low broken and all these things, because like there is no logical trade, like we are getting a good profit over here, like so I will place order at 166. If it hits, then fine. Not hit, I will exit manually, right? Just see what is that. Okay, bank nifty. Okay, better to exit at market price itself because we have made a good profit over here, right? And currently like I will talk about my losses also, right? Because like we can talk about losses also, nothing to. Okay, just look at this, it is an engulfing, right? So I'll try to just look at, we from positive we came at negative side, right? Okay, here a big engulfing candle. If you see, just look at this level, right? Just look at this level, right? Just look at this. So nothing to trailing stop loss it, we can say trailing stop loss it, right? I don't want to wait here, like it came down for retracement, big retracement, nothing to worry about that. Just look at, we book like loss of like 797. Okay, I will explain my previous trades also. Like here I tried, just a second guys, I will be back within few seconds, right? Okay, there is no option for stop mode. Okay, let's see like where we entered, right? So like in mobile I entered around at this level, right? If you see, there is a gap up opening, this is a bullish momentum, so I entered around at this candle with a stop loss of this, right? Okay, just look at this like big bullish candle. I exited around like where 154 itself, right? So like it is sitting at 156, 157. Okay, nothing to worry about it. Better I hold it that trade and I will be like in profit more than 3 4 rupees extra. Okay, nothing to worry. Like here I entered at this candle and I was expecting a target of around this level, right? So here this did not happen, and even like my prices are not updating. So I waited, and I don't know this move, right? This is a very big move. It might have gone like 10k negative in this also. Here again came positive, but like I was able to square it off at this level or at this level. I don't know. Like then came and I saw like my positions running around like 3 4,000 4,000 negative, I guess 4,000 3,000, and then I came here, and and at that time I squared off of that position. So here, right, then again I tried at this level also, at this level, but market went up, came down, went up, right? So here I exited because like at this candle it was closing red, red. So like I thought it can came down and this breakout like fails, right? So here there was my first trade which I took over here. This stop loss got hitted at this candle, but if you see, like I booked a good loss over here, but I was not able to exit at this price because I don't know, like there was no network connection, so I don't know like how came down and all things, this thing, right? Okay, if it came down, I will be like in loss of 10 15k if this still goes down, 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 right? Okay, downfall, retracement, again downfall. Maybe we can expect a downfall, right? So here Bank Nifty is making the same structure. We will try to enter at this level, right? Okay. Like if you see, this is an engulfing candle or a, okay, nothing to worry about that. Okay, still we can because like if you see, this is just 36 seconds, so only half minute, right? So I entered a bit early in this trade, but nothing about that, nothing to worry about that. Downfall, retracement, and again downfall, right? We can expect this target, like, okay, for Bank Nifty. If you see, this is a like big what candle, a red candle, so it might retest 50% also. Here we entered a bit early in this trade, so that's why there is only one thing to worry about that, right? Just look at this. We are booking like from 700, we were booking loss of 1,000 rupees in this trade, right? So that's why like this is the importance, like you have to enter at the right price on a right time, right? So here our entry is at 158, right? And it is trading at 156, 150. Okay, nothing to worry about that. Like it closed rate, so we can hold our trade with the stop loss, like same stop loss above this candle, right? Not about this candle, but above this candle, right? If you see, at this candle, this will be logical stop loss, right? And if we see our entry 10 12 points, right? That's it, nothing to worry about that. We are like in a trade like downfall, retracement, and again downfall. But here the only one thing that we entered a bit early in this trade. If you see over here, just look at this, right? So our entry must be at this level, but we entered at 158 level, right? Okay, if you see, we will see how. Okay, here Nifty, sorry, what is this? Bank Nifty like breakout and trying to sustain above the levels, 34,900. We will wait for our stop loss, or we will exit probably because we entered at a wrong price, right? So I prefer exiting early when I enter at wrong price, right? Just see this. So our entry must be at 155 level, but we entered 3 4 rupees extra, and again it is trying to hit our stop loss. Nothing to worry about that. Okay, I guess today is a bad day, but nothing to worry about that. I will store. Okay, streaming is about 8 minutes. Okay, just look at this, right? Okay, we forgot to check 5 minute time frame. If you see, this is like a big red candle, and this is like a big green candle, not a engulfing one, but this is a strong closing. Just look at this is a strong closing, right? So strong closing, that is what we don't require, right? So we need like weak. There is no weak. Like if you see, the body is like around 90 95%, and there is no weak. So better to avoid entry at such candles, right? We need a wicks like this. If I tell you wicks like this, I might okay, we will see later. Like I will explain on this chart itself, right? After a big red candle, just look at this. This is a wick candle, right? So after a big red candle, there is a wick. If you see over here, after a big candle, red candle, there. Okay, just look at this. Like we need this candle, right? Just look at big red candle and then wick candle, right? Don't care about, like, don't look at this candle, but wick candle itself indicates that there is a selling pressure, right? But here in this state, just look at this. There is no selling pressure. Like just look at this. There is no wick, right? So probably we have to. Okay, it gave a chance, but like we missed this chance also, and we have to take our SL also. Just look at this, right? So here like if I explain my trading, like my action will be get delayed by 4 5 6 seconds, right? Just look at this, right? So I'm explaining, and things are happening on charter. Just look at this. It came down and hitted our stop loss also, right? 10 rupees stop loss, which was like previously planned here, but I will wait, because if I tell you, okay, just look at this, right? Okay, bank nifty still taking resistance, right? And here nifty also took, but this is not a valid, like not a sure short trade, because of just this candle has closed strongly. There are like 90% chances it can go up, right? So that obviously we are trading on a sell side, but this is not expected. This strong closing is not expected. There will be like momentum only if this low gets broken, right? We'll see, like if high gets broken, low gets broken. Here the trend is sell, so we are not looking for buy entry, because trend is sell and we are trading opposite to trade. But here, if this low gets broken, buyers will be more confident. They will take target as a this level, and even like this level also. Like, okay, this level is first target. Okay, just look at this wick and wick here, and second target will be like this level, right? This is the zone, right? So they can take a target of this zone also, right? If you see over here, just look at this. Again, we will see, we are again cost to cost, right? So our entry should not be at this level. Entry was at this level, so probably our average price must be at 155 154, right? So we entered a bit early, that's what we missed. Like I didn't notice the timing of that candle, but we will hold our trade, because like it is going our favor. Stop loss is not hit. Okay, we will see, like from we came again at cost to cost, like previously 158 level where we have entered in this trade. Okay, so probably our target will be like, first target will be like itself around 169, only 10 points, because like previously we booked a profit of like we booked a sufficient profit over here, right? So our target is like around 169, right? 158 116. I will place that order, because previously we missed this trade at 166 itself, right? Okay, as per the like our analysis, it can go down also. So better I will book. Sorry, I will trail my stop. I will trail my stop loss, and I will try to book profit. I will try to take 1 is to 2, because this candle is very strong candle, right? Even if you see, my target got hitted 169, right? Okay, we are waiting. Nothing to worry about that. Like low broken, so we will wait. Okay, like we can. Okay, yeah, it is. Buying nifty is at now at support level. Nifty is also at support level. Better we did not cancel out error. Might it got executed at 169. You just look at 169 high, right? So this 169 high itself tells that like our target will get easily hit, right? There is a big volumes also. Okay, we will wait. Like this is a big candle, so there might be some retracement or consolidation over here. Okay, we will wait. Like our target got hit over here, but still we are waiting. And okay, now see bank nifty also how it is forming. Like this is the last minute, and just look at given. Oh, just see this week, right? So this week indicates that buyers are still trying to close that price above this level. Just look at this. This did not close below this support level, right? Just look at this. Just see the confluence over here. Just look at this. We are again at cost to cost, right? So I have to again go and modify my order at market price, just to see like whether market goes up or down, right? So okay, the downfall and retracement has happened over here, and now it has to go down. Like it can make small candles and then came down, but here, okay, I think I have to modify my target to like around 180 185 level, right? Because after that there is a no resistance till 185 level, right? So we are trailing our stop loss, and we are trying to book good profit from markets, right? So I will modify my order over here, and I will be like waiting. Sorry, I will just see this. Okay, the low is getting broken now. Here like bank nifty was very much in favor, but here nifty is not that much giving points to us, right? Again, if you see, the candle did not close below this level, like, but there is like a surety, like this has broken, and this is also trying to broken, so might it can go down and test this level also, right? But here the important thing is that the swing low is like this, right? So it has to broke this swing low also, because if you see, just this is a week, right? So this week plays an important role, and closing below this zone, right? Below this 5 minute candle is very important thing. Just look at this. Again we came at, okay, again it has made a high of around like 166, 167, 168 level, but we are in favor of trend, so we will hold our winning trade, as like our entry must be at this level, but we will miss that 3 4 rupees, like 1000 rupees loss, so we will take extra. Okay, I'll see what happens over here. Bank Nifty has also support, and Nifty is like, it is also taking support. We will see what happens. Like if you see, the trade is still like, we are entered at this level and our stop loss was this level, right? So it is giving us like good profit, like we can trail our stop loss after over this also. And if you see, just look at 1 is to 3 here, right? Like currently running profit is 1 is to 3, but here we are not running currently running a profit of 1 is to 3, but we will wait here, right? Just look at, see, like look at this Bank Nifty trying to go down. Okay, Nifty has also broken, so need to close below that. Okay, just it just hit it, so might it has hit at 170 level, 169 hit it, right? Okay, we will see like how much we can take from market today. And this account is just today not logged in, so we will wait like a bit late today, right? Okay, here 174 high. If you see our target, it just got increased by, right? This is what happens, right? Okay, I need to charge my laptop too. Sorry, but right. Okay, here if you see, currently running a profit of 8,000, but this we don't need to see this. We need to see this, right? Whether market takes support from this week or not, right? So here we have to try to book our profit, or we can trail our stop loss. But we are not trying to trail our stop loss because we are getting good profit in a flow, right? In this flow, the high is around like 176. Okay, I guess I have to exit at 184, 180 level itself, because like premium decay causing me to book my book profit less today, because just look at, the market is at this level and it is just at 180 level itself, right? We'll see Bank Nifty how it is going. Okay, it is closing very strong, so we'll try to book profit at market price itself, right? If you see position, it is 5,000 positive, but nothing to, okay, might hit our target in 1 minute, sorry. If you see, just look at this, this is our like, okay, 183. Okay, target got hit at, right? So we booked a good profit in this trade also, like this was in favor, so we holded that trade, right? So just look at this. Okay, how much time? Okay, this video is 17 minutes. Like more, YouTube one of the big video over here. Just look at this. We exited at 185 level, right? So here if we try, we might book around like the 20 30K in this account, but like it was not open, so I did not try entering in this account. Okay, thank you. That's it for the day, guys. Even after a big two losses, consecutive losses, we tried like we booked a good profit over here, right? So in the only two trades like that, we are prepared for that trade. Just look at 138, 154, and again 158, 185. So if you see like same strike price, if you see I entered at 138 level, even this also entry also I got delayed, right? So here if you see, my stop loss was 9 rupees, I exited at 158, right? Right, if you see like this is a gap filling trade, so we did not hold that trade because like we booked around good profit, so that's why I closed, and I don't want to risk more points over here. Otherwise I can book around, I just look at 10 points hit at extra, so I can trail my stop loss at 180 level and then it go up, but if spikes comes there, might it hit might my stop loss and then go up. So that's why I tried to booking profit at this level. Just look at this, Bank Nifty is like almost reaching to support level, and just look at this is making spike, and just look at this, right? So like I don't want to that 10 extra points over here, but here just look at this, right? Okay, now we are discussing our trades for this, right? So if you see like entry was at around 10 to, here is the C entry which I exited. If you see 949, right? 949, if you see I entered at this candle, right? Just look at this 949. So I told you like I entered here, went up, came down, again going up, but it was not going upside, so I booked profit at this level and I again waited, then I got a short opportunity at 10 2, because just look at this, this was a this is not expected, like green candle, right? This is a green candle, This is a green candle, and after that this is not expected. So on the next candle I shorted when it closed red, like it was trying to close red when it was going red, and then again I booked profit of around, like if you see this, at this level we booked profit of, like it was going down, so we booked profit. Here also we booked almost around like 138, if you see, 138 and 158, right? Sorry, 154. Okay, we exited on market price just because of, if you see, I guess it was a red candle forming going upside straight, so that's why we exited at market price. So 154. So here we missed big profit because like my target got hitted, but I did not exited. I was waiting for big movement, right? So 154, if you see, still 17, 16, 17 points, right? For 138 to 154, right? If you see, 138 is at this level, 138 to 154, if you see, 15 points, right? So like 1 is to 1.5 itself, but it gave 1 is to 2 itself, right? But we did not book, so that was our mistake that we did not book profit, right? If you see, just look at it, went almost up to like 160, so 1 is to 2 itself hit it. Again we took the another entry at this level, I guess, 158 level. Just look at it. So I thought, like I told you, like I entered very early in this trade. I have to enter on closing basis, right? So if you see, my entry was at a 158 level. My stop loss was around, like if you see, at this level, right? But logical stop loss was only 10 11 points, which was not hitted, and I booked almost like at 185 level, right? If you see over here, just look at this, 26 points. So stop loss like 1 is to 2.5, right? So this is how you have to take trade in options, right? Just look at this. So it is just consulting at this level, right? So better to book profit, and we are not sure like it break this level or not this level. So uh, I especially book profit early, so high is 190 189 level, right? So I try to book at 185 itself, right? Early in this trade. And even the this week at this level, so I tried, once he hit it this week, I tried to go exit, right? That's what. Thank you guys. That's it for the day. I'm closing a morning trade because it's 10:28, right? Okay, we will see in afternoon if we get another chance to entry or exit, right? So here, like I explained all these previous trades also, like today we took multiple trades, but because of some technical issues, like we are not able to book good profit or book stop loss on time. If you see, first entry, and again second entry, if you see, again the third entry, again the fourth entry, right? So like this is why I don't put stop loss in my trades. Just the reason is so simple, like here we exited at this candle. If you see, we exited at this green candle, right? Just look at this. So this is not expected, we have to book profit, like our target got hit, but we did not exit at that trade, right? Okay, so these are all the entries, and even if you see other entries like that PE, I tried entering in the PE also, but it got rejected. If you see, at this level, I was like not sure, like I exited this at this level, but it got not executed, and even these are also get rejected. So if you see at this level at 931, if you see, just look at this, I guess 931, right? So here I was trying to entering in the sell trade also, like even just see hammer candles, but it did not got, like it was rejecting. The reason was so simple, the previous quantity is not exited properly, right? So you will not see entry even here because there was like technical glitch. Okay, nothing to worry about that also. Even after I tried some selling entries also, like where I did shorted. Okay, here I guess, mm, I guess here I tried shorting here. If I show you here, I guess I tried shorting, but stop loss got hit because this was just consolidation. So then after this big engulfing candle, I tried buy entry, right? So this is what important, first, second, and third and fourth, right? So this is like what we traded, and others are just small stop loss. If you see in this Also, if you see, just look at 2700, 2600 loss also, right? And these are like two trades, I guess. I'm not sure, I have to check. Okay, here it is, right? So info, if you see, this is like 1000 quantity, so there are like two trades. So two trade we booked a stop loss of like 2500, so 1200 rupees, like 2.5 rupees. That trailing SL, or we can say market was not going in favor, so we exited. Just look at this 1000 quantity, right? So here like four trades, right? So here in CE two trades, in PE two trades, and after this we took two trades in this, like only like these are four trades in which we took 5k SL, and these are two trades in which we took 5k each target, right? Okay, nothing to worry about that. This was like first trade we exited, and again I tried at this level also. If you see CE entry, like this is one, this is two. Okay, these two are all right, and again we have to go for sell entry, right? If you see PE entry over here, PE entry, I guess it is around like 947 and 944, right? 947. If you see 947, just look at this, right? So here we I tried entering on the same. If you see at this level, I tried entering. Okay, that's we discuss, right? That's we discuss here. Like this was our entry, right? So at this level, I tried entering twice, but candles are not forming. So I took SL and I entered in CE position, right? Over here, right after this engulfing candle. Okay, that's it for the day closing, because the video length is like very big now, like around 26 minutes, half an hour. That's it. Thank you, guys.